Forex trader, then let me give you the signals to try for the week. Maybe this is your first time meeting leading Forex YouTube channel. So take this forecast of our signals for the week. We have USDJPY. USDJPY. So this is USDJPY. Today's date is 15th March 2020. So you are going to place this trade on demo since this is your first time of meeting us, so that by the close of this week, we will all see what will be the outcome. Okay, so USDJPY, we are buying USDJPY. Buy signal. And when the market opens today, Sunday, 15th March 2020, put this signal on a buy and look for only 100 pips. Okay, 100 pips. Now the second signal for the week is going to be EURJPY. EURJPY, and EURJPY is here. This is on daily time frame. EURJPY is also a buy signal for EURJPY. You only look for 100 pips for this trade. Okay, you only look for 100 pips. And then the last one is going to be Chef JPY. Chef JPY. That is CHFJPY. So Chef JPY is also a buy. And we are looking for 100 pips for this signal. So today, 15th March, this signal will end on Friday, 20th March 2020. If this is your first time meeting our channel, which is Leading Forex YouTube channel, subscribe, because we have weekly signals that we give to every Forex trader that you can profit from. If you also want to join our Telegram page, check the description of this video. Our Telegram page link is there. Join, and there you will receive daily signals as well. This is Kofi, your admin on Leading Forex YouTube channel. We will surely be back after Friday. There you will come back to this channel and write your comment as to what the results is all about after you took this trade. God bless you. Let's make the profit, and I'll see you at the end of this week.